So we are back with another vlog. As of today, it's officially Independence Day, so happy Independence Day to everyone. And we are off to a flag hoisting location which I will not reveal, but you guys will see in the vlog if you guys obviously stick up until the end. Before we start the video, I would like to ask everyone to take some time and subscribe right below, and also don't forget to enable the bell icon. But yeah, as of right now I am on the highway waiting for a friend, and as usual he's late. So this is our whole lineup for today. It's around 50 to 60 of us. So the whole lineup is here, and obviously there are going to be more joining us. We'll stop for breakfast first, and then after that we'll carry on. So we are officially flagged off, and it's not traffic, but it's not very free. But obviously because I've done these routes before, I'm aware of how it goes. Obviously we just completed our Chennai and Pondicherry ride, so now we are planning something in October. Let's see, it'll be either completely down to the south or completely up to the north, one of the two. Probably around 80 something kilometers left. There is a lot of traffic comparative not comparative, but it's Independence Day, so we expected a little bit less traffic, but apparently there's more. It's not a big deal, but the ride must go on. We're stuck at a traffic signal, but we're making good progress. Traffic. But anyways, you guys can see the RR310s. All of them are pretty fast compared to us. We don't really stand a chance against the speed that they can produce. It doesn't matter top end, low end, any end, it is like that. Moving in such a large group, it's gonna catch a lot of eyes, which is also a good thing. So this ride is between the AOGxCuLT and AOG Bengaluru. So AOG stands for Apache Owners Group. So the RR310s, the Apache RTR 160s, 200s, all of those Apaches come under AOG, and Ronin comes separately as AOGxCuLT. So I think for this particular ride, I think this is the first ride where the Ronins are more in number compared to the Apaches, which is usually not the case, but this time it is. So we just crossed the toll towards Chikbalapura, and as you guys see ahead, I'll show you guys more clearly, all modified cars, modified exhaust, modified bikes. Literally everyone's here on this occasion. Independence Day really brings a lot of people together. But yeah, we're moving, not very quickly, but we're still moving though. An hour more and probably will reach, but they're probably gonna stop for breakfast in a bit. But yeah, With sorts of modded bikes and cars, you know, making amazing noises. Obviously it is a nuisance to a lot of people, but it's music to a lot of people's ears as well. So we have finished breakfast and all of us are ready to head off, you know. And we are off. So obviously there's still a lot of time till the destination, but we're enjoying the journey as it goes. So people have brought up flags and everything, and we've all got our own badges, which obviously is something that stays with us. It doesn't really come off. Chikbalapura, 6 kilometers. One day I will be going to Chikbalapura's Isha Foundation with all my friends towards the evening, so that we can see the light show, which is at 7 p.m. That is the main reason for why we would go, if we do go ever. Obviously, as you guys see, you know, the crowd all the way ahead. It's a good turnout, you know, for the club and the TVS organization as a whole. So we had to stop to take a few photos because on the long stretch of highway these guys weren't able to click photos because the photographer was supposed to sit behind a taxi, which was very difficult given the amount of traffic, as they couldn't, you know, smoothly cruise. So now we're going off the main road as a whole, and we're going into, I don't know if it's Ghats or whatever, because I've come to this area but I've never really, you know, been to the fort to be exact. So we're almost there. We're near a lake now. This is the lake that we wanted to visit. This lake I visited before, you know, with a few of my friends.
Take the next right, then you will arrive at your destination.
So yeah, we have officially arrived at the fort.